Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a factory representative here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. Today we are standing in a 2023 47FB pre-loved. The clients of this coach upgraded to a new floor plan that they absolutely love, so we have this one to show to you today. We're going to start in the living room area. We do have the storage behind the TV. Storage up above, fireplace below. Next, we're going to move to the kitchen. We do have residential appliances, ice and water in the door. Lots of storage in this kitchen. We have drawers here. LG microwave, more storage. We have our 24-inch stove. Beautiful coffee nook with storage above for you. We did do the farmhouse style composite sink with the dishwasher. Silverware drawer inserts, and don't forget we're going to be dovetail on all sides. Soft close drawers. We have a large flip up countertop to give you all that extra space. We do have a cell phone charger on it. We do have the buffet style table. It does come with 4 chairs and a leaf. More cabinets on the other side. All right, we're gonna head on up this way. You do have your in-command system, your Truma on-demand hot water heater, sea level monitoring. We do have a large bathroom with the 3-piece shower panel with the large skylight. Teak seat. We have more storage above the toilet. The medicine cabinet opens for more storage. Now in the bedroom, we are going to have a king-size bed. Both sides have nightstands. Both nightstands will have your cell phone chargers on them. Lots of storage up top. Cabinet doors for a little privacy. We have a large closet. We have hanging bars all the way across, and we have dressers on both sides. Shoe rack behind you. In the vanity slide, we do have a large TV and more storage shelves for you. Beautiful beachfront color. All right, let's head to the garage. All right, in the living area, we do have the lambrite seating, extra seat, cup holders, storage drawer, recliners. These recline also, beautiful lambrite. We have storage up top, and we have the loft opening from your living space. Let's head on into the garage. We were able to continue our soft touch walls in this area and our floors. We have used this as a flex space. We have built an awesome office back here. We have a stationary desk with cabinetry here and here. We do have the piece to go on the floor to make it not dovetail if you wanted this entire area to be flat. We do have the rear ramp with the awning and our beautiful veranda doors. Storage up top. We also have the Dometic AC in our garage area. Large TV. Next, we're going to move to the bathroom. We have a very large bathroom with a medicine cabinet and storage. Your washer and dryer is also going to be located in this area. It has its own cabinet. If you would like more information on this unit, you can visit us at luxefifthwheels.com. You can also give us a call at 574-848-2729 with any questions. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.